Christmas bread. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Has raisins.
This is mustard. This is beets.
Beets.
That have cheese. Cheese.
Yeah. So this is a Edamer cheese. Very common for Christmas. We also have this Gräddost. It's almost gone.
Use the ostehuvud.
Yes, of course. But we have something here. What is this?
Head cheese.
Head cheese. This is not a dairy cheese. It's a...
Ska vi ha toppen på?
Well, traditionally you would have the head cheese, mustard, beets, and you put it on a lefse, which is like a potato tortilla thing. The reason why it's called head cheese, I think, is because of the shape. It's similar to the shape of cheeses such as this. So yeah, it says on Wikipedia, by the way, it says head cheese, not a dairy cheese. Also the fact that it's made out of head meat from the pig. Not just head meat, but they press it into this shape here, and head cheese.
Cheese.
No cheese. Also the butter. As you can see, I have a particular shape here. It's like a roof. That's how you do it. Always maintain the roof shape. It's much more practical and better for everyone.
Så det luktar varmt i denna.
WIENERTOAST.
Det var därför man vill ta på denna.
There you have it. WIENERTOAST Christmas
Edition.
First bite. It's a Christmas miracle.
Yeah.
How would you describe the taste?
Salty. Senapy. Röpeti.
Tastes like the stuff you put in there?
Yeah.
Let me try. It works. It works.
Yeah.
We have a new. Do you think we have a new tradition?
Yeah.
Huh? WIENERTOAST Christmas. What do you call it?
Edition.
Head cheese.
Oh,
Something.
head cheese toast.
Head cheese toast?